Welcome back, everyone! In our last video, our amazing friend Sparky learned how AI works like a guard dog and a smart advisor for our money. But AI's job in finance isn't done. Are you ready to see what else it can do? Sparky, first up, you know how it's impossible to read all the news and reports in the world at once? Well, AI can be it reads everything news, market data, and charts in a split second. This helps people make smarter, faster guesses about where to save or invest their money. It is like having a superpower that lets you scan every book in a giant library in the blink of an eye. The AI takes all that information and tries to spot patterns or trends, helping investors understand if something might be a good opportunity or a bit too risky. It doesn't predict the future, of course, but it gives a much clearer picture of what's happening right now. Next, what happens when you need to borrow money for something big, like a house or a car?
Hey. AI can act as a fair helper.
Traditionally, when banks decide whether to give someone a loan, they look at a few key things. But sometimes, that doesn't tell the whole story. AI allows banks to look at many different pieces of information at once in a fair and unbiased way to decide if someone is ready to get that loan. It can help reduce human error and make the process more consistent for everyone. This means decisions can be based on a wider, more complete picture of a person's financial habits, which can open up opportunities for people who might have been overlooked by older methods. And finally, have you ever had a simple question for your bank, but they were closed? It can be frustrating to wait until the next morning, right? Well, AI can be a never-tired assistant. These are the friendly chatbots you see on websites and banking apps. They work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, to answer your questions right away, so you never have to wait. Whether you need to check your balance at midnight or ask how to freeze your card on a Sunday, these AI assistants are always there to help with instant answers to common questions. This frees up human customer service agents to handle more complex problems that really need a personal touch. So, from being a super fast researcher to a fair helper and a never-tired assistant, AI is doing even more to make finance smarter, fairer, and more convenient for all of us. And our friend Sparky is getting smarter right along with it. What an amazing adventure in learning. Thanks so much for joining Sparky and me today to dig a little deeper into the world of AI. If you enjoyed learning with us, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and ring the bell so you won't miss our next adventure. See you next time.